It says which meds for Liza.
It's on, does she want a bottle or does she just want the 2-week course?
Okay,
And it doesn't really matter. She's not sure if she can give it, so.
okay.